What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert a web page to PDF. So first you need to open your browser, and after opening your browser, here on the right side you need to click on these three dots at the top, and then you need to hover to extensions, and then you need to visit the web store of your particular browser. After that, in the search bar you just simply need to type capture, and after that here you will see the extension of go full page screen capture. Simply add it to your browser, and then a pop-up window will open to add your extension. Click on add extension to add it to your browser. And after that, when the extension has been downloaded, you can just simply open a new web page. So in the new tab, I will be opening YouTube. Let's say I'm opening the YouTube, and then here in the extension section, I will click on this go full page, and after that this will start capturing the screen. And as you can see, the screen capture is in progress. This will just capture all the screen like this, all YouTube, and after that this will show me in an image, and from here I can just simply download it as a PDF. So this is how you can download a web page as a PDF. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.